What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy King David. I'm making a quick video real quick for one of my subscribers. He wants to know how to let the third row headrest down using the 12.1-inch Android radio that I installed. Video still coming soon, guys. Be patient. Work, so I haven't been able to really dive into the video like I want to. But anyway, the way to do it is you're gonna want to go to console. Let's back out of here. Let's back out of there. Back out of there. Okay, so you're gonna want to go to console. It's gonna be at the top of the screen right here. You want to press on that, and then you'll get this little gray box that pops up. The camera focuses. Then you're gonna want to hit the settings cog, and then inside of here, this is pretty much the factory settings for the car. Let me move this camera over here. It has everything in here that you need. Auto door locks, auto close, auto unlock on X's. This is all of the things that you would see on your 8.3-inch radios or whatever. But anyway, other settings, fold back mirror, the meter shows the oil savings mode. Why did it leave out of there on its own? Maybe I hit something. But anyway, it's gonna be in this area here, headrest fold. So you're gonna want to click that, and then I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the headrest folds. So anyway, I'm gonna post this video real quick for my guy, my subscriber. I like helping my subscribers out. Anyway, I hope this helps, man. If I only get one like off this video, it better be from you, because I came out to the car just for you to get this done. Like, subscribe. It's your boy King, and I'm out.